Everybody, it's Killer Cash back at you again with a quick video. Be as quick as possible. But this video is going to be about something that I think every black man in America needs, and something that every traveler needs, especially in this tech arena, fast-paced space we're in. And it is the Miufly Bodycam. This body cam is great. Sold on Amazon, and I bought this with the warranty for about $160, I think it was. I researched a lot of body cams and active cams, and this is the one that I found that most people said did not break on them in 7 months, and is just, just sturdy, whatnot. And I'm going to show you some of the features right here. Check that out. For those who are listening on Anchor FM, check us out on YouTube with /Killer Cash if you want to see that. And this thing is awesome. I mean, it can clip right there. There's also it can clip on your belt just as easy. Only thing is, and there's been some things that you can buy additional, not from the company, but from others, that doesn't have it shake as much. But if you have a sturdier shirt than like a t-shirt that I'm wearing, this is clipped on. I like clipping it on my belt, wear it like a pager, like this was 97. And it's sturdy, but it also has, let's see, this little piece right here. And this clips on for your car, can clip onto your car. So this actually can hold up your visor or whatnot. It can clip onto that. This can clip onto your shirt if you want it to, and this can hold on. It's just a lot of gadgets. Also has for the traveler. It has where on your car, the HDMI and all the additional other ports. I want to show you the HDMI and the AV, but it just shows you the different ports, because a lot of times you'll get like a fancy device like this and it will only have one port and you have to go buy something and whatnot. This is very sturdy. This is it's quite heavy too, and I've dropped it a couple times. Even though I have the warranty, you want to take care of your stuff, but I've dropped it and it hasn't broke or even scratched. It has all these different features. You get audio, you can get other just still pictures, the video 1080p, and think about all the police shootings and all the injustices that happen. What if you had some footage of that? Also, think if you're traveling and you don't want to just have your phone up all the time. Remember like the last concert we were at Wyclef, and I'm like, I just want to capture this because Wyclef is right here, like boom, in front of me. Through the whole concert, and even comes down on the stage. If you ever been to a Wyclef and you want to capture that, and that's great for documentary, B-roll and all this other footage that we want to capture, but you still want to be in the moment and hug your wife, talk to your friends without being so, let me take a picture. Like, I really hate that. And there's even some more tech that's coming out that's going to stop a lot of that in the future. But for right now, this is what we have. I'm seeing all the wearables, and then even the drone wearables that are coming. And that's what I really want. So again, you just clip this. I'm going to turn this on so you can hear it. Even you guys who can't see this on Anchor FM, you'll be able to hear it. Like a doorbell, boom, comes on right away. Then I'm just going to even push video, just like if you were in the moment. You just wanted to be quick, right? You see how I just turn that on, and that button is down here. I push it one time, and it just goes. And so now you're in the zone. And there's some footage that I could share with you But I'm gonna do it for like Patreon people and people who request that like personal, just footage, because that's why people would go to the Patreon, right, for the exclusives and the things like, hey, let me see how that works, and I'm gonna give you your own video as a Patreon member. I'm just not even gonna do some generic. I'm gonna really just show you a moment in my life. How exciting or boring that is at the moment, unless you have like a special request, and you might have a request. Hey, Kellen, can you show us, jumping on a bull or jumping on a, off a cliff? I don't, whatever. So the Miufly, I'm liking this body cam. I don't, even if I was kind of just moving around, it's not falling off, and it hasn't fallen off. When I talked about the times that I dropped it, I was being very active. See if you can play football, basketball with it, run after kids, whatnot, and do your cuts. And I had it on my belt, and I didn't have it real secure, and I knew that. So I was just chilling at the park. Show you some other gadgets. This is a car adapter that it comes with, and one of the plugs. Forgive me, I moved my camera in a weird way, so now I can't like get the angle.